job of this channel. Hey, just gonna do a quick video for you of the TRDPro Tundra. It's 2019, has the TRD dual exhaust, but I know I've been getting some questions about how it sounds, and it's opened up quite a bit. I got about, I'd say 1,400 miles on the truck. So it's opened up a bit, but you can kind of hear it. It's a very low grumble versus a high-pitched exhaust sound, so it sounds pretty good. And then the other thing is that all the windows are up. It's in the cabin, and we're going up to about 55-60 miles an hour, which is speed limit in the area I live. So it'll give you an idea of how the vehicle kind of drives with that exhaust. So if you've had any questions or thought about adding it, hopefully this will help a little bit. But again, it's hard to assess the sound, so turn up the volume if you want to be able to listen to it, and if you have a speaker set up on your laptop or computer, might be even better. So all right guys, have a great rest of the day, and let me put that clip up for you.